Imagine yourself in this Ford 2015 Explorer XLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are voice-activated navigation system, comfort package, driver connect package, equipment group 202B, trailer tow package, class 3, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player and premium audio system with 9 speakers. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.